In this video, I will show you how to change your TrueCaller name. So let's get started. In case if you wish to update your TrueCaller name, then just follow the steps shown in the video. First, open TrueCaller app on your mobile. Now tap three horizontal lines located at the bottom right side. On the next screen, you will find your name with phone number along with edit button. Tap edit. On the profile screen, you will able to update your first name and last name. Once done, tap done and your TrueCaller name will be updated. So that is how you can change your TrueCaller name. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.